Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 9, that is ledger and posting of standard 11 commerce subject account. So here we are seeing how to make the posting in the ledger from the subsidiary book. In our last video we have seen to post from the sales book. Today we are going to see the posting from all the goods that is related to goods related subsidiary. So today first we are going to prepare purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales book, and from that we are going to post in a ledger. So let's see the sum number 4, and this is the 5th part of the chapter, and first to 4th part is linked in the description. So here is the sum. Let's see illustration number 4. From the following transaction, prepare subsidiary books of Hitesh Trading Company and post them in the appropriate account. So here they are asking us to prepare first subsidiary book, and from that there is a posting. So let's start the transaction number 1. 2016 January 1st. Goods of rupees 7,000 are purchased from Nissan at 15% trade discount. So there is a purchase. So then we are going to write in a purchase book. So here 2016 January 1st. Nissan account. And here the goods is of rupees 7,000 and 15% is a 15% is a trade discount. So trade discount we are not recording in the books of account. So after deducting 50%, the amount will be 5950, that we are going to record in the purchase book, 5950. Now let's see second date. Goods of rupees 3,500 are purchased from J at 10% trade discount. So for the second transaction, we have purchased the goods of rupees 3,500 and 10% trade discount. So trade discount again will not record in the books of account, and the amount will be 3,150, that we are going to record in a purchase book. So for second J account, and that will be 3,150. So for that, now let's see the transaction of date 4. Goods of rupees 10,000 are sold to Kruti at 10% trade discount. So now we are selling the goods. So we are going to record in a sales book, and the date is 2016 January 4th. Kruti account. And here goods is of rupees 10,500 and trade discount is 10%. So here the amount of goods will be 9,450, that we are going to record over there. 9,450 we are going to record. Now on date number 4, goods of rupees 7,000 are sold to Devami at 10% profit on their own. So here goods, cost of goods is a 7,000. 7,000 is a cost of goods, and here as we know that profit we are going to add. So 20% profit. So 20% of profit with the added, here we are selling the goods at rupees 8,400. So here we will write Devami account, and that will be 8,400. Now let's see the date number 7. On date number 7, they are asking us that the goods of rupees 900 returned to Nissan. So here we have purchased the goods from Nissan and we are giving him back. So that is purchase return, that we are going to record in the purchase return book. So that will be 2016 January, and date will be 7. So here we are going to write down Nissan account, and the amount of goods is 900. On 8 date, goods of rupees 600 returned to Pranav. So here we have purchased the goods from Pranav and that goods we are going to return to him. So here again it is a purchase return. So that we will write on date 8 Pranav account and the amount of goods will be 600. Now on date number 10, goods of rupees 2000 returned by Devami. So here Devami have returned the goods to us and that is sales return. So that we are going to write down in a sales return book 2016 January 10 Devami account and the amount of goods will be 2000. Here again on date number 11, goods of rupees 1200 returned by Pawan. So Pawan has returned the goods, that means Pawan has purchased the goods from us. So that will be sales return. So Pawan account in a sales return book, date is in 11. Now amount will be 1200. So now we have to make the total book of all the subsidiary book. Then let's do that. So here as we can see that 5950 and 3150, the total will be 9100 and here we can say that total credit purchase. Now here 900 and 600, total will be 1500. So this is called total credit purchase return. So that is that. Now let's see the total of 9450 and 8400. So this is our total credit sales 17850 and this is our total credit sales. Now let's make the total of sales return book, that will be 3200. Here total credit sales return. So here we have finished with the preparing the subsidiary book. Now here we have to find out how many accounts we supposed to prepare. So let's see how many accounts we supposed to prepare. First is a purchase account. The second one is a Nisarg account. Third one is a Jai account. Fourth one is a purchase return account. Nisarg account we already prepared. Fifth one is a Pranav account. Sixth one is a sales account. 7 is a Kruti account. 8 is a Devami account. 9 is a sales return account. Devami account we already prepared and 10 one is a Pawan account. So these 10 account we supposed to prepare and then we are going to make the posting from the subsidiary book. So student, you may note down this. Then we are going to prepare ledger. So let's make the posting in the ledger in the books of details. So very first we are going to make the posting of purchase book. So we have made the total. So total we are going to write down on the debit side of purchase purchase account 2016 January 11. Here we will write to sundry creditors account, because we have so many creditors. So we have to make the total of that. Sundry creditors account, and here in the bracket we are going to write down as per purchase book, and total is 9,100. So this is the total of purchase book that we have taken on the debit side of purchase. Now we will make the credit effect in a respective creditors account. So here we have purchased the goods of 5,950 from the Nisarg. So on the credit side of Nisarg account, 2016 January 1st, by purchase account as per the purchase book, and the amount as we have discussed 5,950. So that is for the Nisarg account, and the next will be from to the Jai account, that on 2016 January 2nd, by purchase account as per purchase book. And the amount is a 3,150. So total is a 9,100. Now we are going to make the sales book. So for the sales book, as we know that we supposed to write on the credit side. So on 2016 January 11, by sundry debtors account as per sales book, and total of the sales book was 17,850. Now on the debit side of Kruti account, we are going to write the Kruti is our debtors, and she has purchased the goods from us on 4th January. So 2016 January 4th to sales account, and Kruti has purchased the goods of 9,450. Here we are going to write down as per sales book for that. And the next is a Devami. Devami has purchased the goods from us on January 5th to sales account as per sales book, and the amount will be 8,400. Now let's see the purchase return. So purchase return supposed to be right on the credit side of purchase return account, 2016 January 11, by sundry creditors account, and here we are going to write total amount is a 1,500 as per purchase return book, and now the other entry will be for the 900 that we are going to write down in a Nisarg account on the debit side, 2016 January 7, and that will be that we are going to write down to purchase return account, and the amount will be 900, and here as per purchase return book, and the other will be in the book of Pranav account, and that will be on the debit side of Pranav account. We are going to write down 2016 January 8 to purchase return account. As per purchase return book. And the amount will be 600. Now, let's see the sales return book. And for the sales return book, we are going to write down here. In the sales return book, we will write 2000 on the debit side of sales return book. 2016 January 11 to sundry debtors account. As per sales return book. And the total will be 3,200. And in the sales return to the Devami account, we are going to write down on the credit side 2016 January 10 by sales return account. And the amount will be 2,000 as per sales return book. And then we are going to write down on the credit side of Pranav for Pawan account 2016 January 11 by sales return account as per sales return book. And amount will be 1,200. So this is how we supposed to make the posting from the subsidiary book. Student, you may note down this in your notebook, and in our next video we are going to prepare column or subsidiary book and posting from them. Thank you student for watching this video.